NDC amanyokuo no mpanifo ne bi abipiem ewa ha sei na adeba ko a ehu ne se o maka kire electoral commission se posters a yehu the vice president assembly ono so epre se obeye frankatuni ede ama MPP amanyokuo na ban assembly eti eya se amanyokuo assembly omo enewo aban mu no enya de se omo poster ne betimi atare baabi a yeto aba enei enti omo ahye se ade se sa posters ni nyina no e wo se ni nyina etimi eba fomenti eno na yehuni sa media ya de se posters ni nyina no omo titi ni nyina afiri ho ya de o maka kire electoral commission na afeso so omo aka kire a police for na yebehwe se ye ne emrasha bedwa NDC empanifo ni bi so ebekasa. Honorable, good morning. Yeah, yetimi hu se enche bia more express say monye happy say the posters of the vice president Samuel also say obey flag bearer MPP amanyuko no ni nyina no etalitali ha bibi kakra kwe na beka fa ho
ye committee nra IGP ne EC ni nyina mo say we don't need any poster around, so we are just trying to draw the attention, and fortunately at this place the posters, as you can see, they've been taken off. So we are okay here. Yeah, that is fine. Yes.
All right. Enti the ekoso ewo asin brekuno no betimi akacho se some media boni beka se eagle eye ya de se okode nipa na amanyoko ni mienu especially MPP ni NDC omo de amma abato a ekoso ewo hai some media ade a ye hwe animu a ne se no so bebo na abato no so omo ede ahihye so awoka ne de eyade se ewo suru ye papa isa wo hwe enipa dodo a omo asalai a omo ehwe se omo so bitimi enya akonya na bruni besi omo go through the electoral process na fi omo so etimi ato omaba eno ene ade a yihunu ewo ahase medika ka police for ho asem a che dada se eyade se omo so boban yi papa chese bibia so ento chima ewo ha tinyame ya domo a yebesa babio na face so updates ni nyina.
Okay, so observer Anope, that is the development over removal of posters the create some sort of attention kakra the aba na usha Ato Forson the jina hono mo amoshe Facebook page no and order all my instruction na mentiase Dr. Bawumia is not part of the voting and he's nowhere near and minim why on the posters and so you better to the account because and then minim say one poster go Bawumia posters usha kesi ye one order to omo titini na jechi kwesi anase ebia the Charles there I agree because you could deceive the people for any of them saying oh bikura weni mu no ba no hu a and Dr. Bawumia is not part of these elections, so why will we get to that extent? Emma, you do baby, you do, and when we now these are some of the things that is possibly to create tension. But what does the law says? The law will tell you say there should not be any political activities at the voting center. That is the law. And you can say there should be any political activities at the voting center. And what with the meaning of political activities? Political activities are and what does this say? Does this say posters are because we share posters I tell for woman do we see Charles the gentleman our no age number MPP nana and no ebi wo ho I only see Dr. Bawumia and ye benyam rena fe ye call for grounds ho a ye ne reporters Evans and so be kasa no am I more update